Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. Today we're going to put back together this Paclock. Some of you might have seen the video when I did my submission for the 200K. I was also handcuffed while I did that and gutted it, but we're not going to be reassembling this handcuffed, but I did get the patch and the stickers and all that stuff for it. It was a really cool entry. Got the letter from those guys. Thought that was really cool. But enough about that. Let's get back into putting this together. So I already started a little bit of this stuff to kind of prep it. I got one of the springs down in there at the end. And then I put all the key pins back into the core with the key. Make stuff a little easier. I've never done this. Never had gutted it before or reassembled. So this is all going to be new. The ball bearings are down inside of here. There's a little bit of grease in there, which should help from the factory kind of hold them up apart while you get it. So with no further ado, let's see what we can do here. Got the, like I said, I already got the spring down in there. So I'm gonna drop in this end one. It's gonna be a little tricky to try to do and get this on camera too for you guys, but I'm gonna do my best. Like I said, never done this before, so it's all new. Alright, so I got that in there. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just making sure I didn't push it too far. These springs are pesky. There we go, that one's in there. This one's another serrated pin. The last one was a serrated one as well. So what you want to do is you want to get kind of the pin down in there and started, and then you press against it with the follower to keep a little tension on it, and then you push it down into its home. One of these springs got a little bent up when I gutted it, but I think I fixed it alright. Trying to get that to focus, but it doesn't want to. This one's another serrated pin. Eventually I'll probably redo this and pin this up a little differently. Try to make it a little more challenging. But for now we're just going to put it back the way they had it, or at least the way I think it was, because the gutting was not good. It ain't bad. Once you get going, this cruises right along. Another serrated one. The one before was a spool. And then the last two are going to be spools as well. And there's a serrated key pin in spot number 1 as well. Alright, well, the moment of truth will be if this thing actually works afterwards. I'm sorry, I just realized I'm probably going off screen a little bit on that with you guys. I hope that was not too far off screen the whole time. Trying to focus, like I said, get this all knocked out. There we go. Man, get in there, you pesky spool. And there we are. Bam! Alright. So, let's get this. I'll turn this follower like so. Line that up off to the side. Gotta get my key in all the way. Cool. That turns. That's a good sign. That's what we like to see. Where's that pesky C-clip? Let's pop that back on there. C-clip's on. Alright, let's see if I can get this on the first try, or if those ball bearings are going to be a pain in the butt. I think that'll stay right there. There we go. Let's test it out real quick. Oh, I don't think I did something right there. Okay. Dear Lord. I know what I did there. Had the key going the wrong way. Like I said, it's all an adventure here, guys. You never know what's going to go on here. Yeah, that's alright. At least now I know what's going on here, I think. Definitely got to do some more practice and get better at guttings and stuff like that. Alright, so that's the right way now. We got all spun around in there before. There we go. So that should be locked. Turn it to unlock it. Alright. Now we're getting somewhere. You always want to test it before you take it apart and put the screw in and all that stuff, because if you did something wrong, this would be the time to try to fix it. Like right now, I don't know why it's fighting me with this key. There we go. Keys out. Put that on there. Bam, bam. Throw this in there. Bam, bam. Pop that open. It's working. Even though we had a little mishap with the beginning there, but alright, well, that's not too shabby. There it is. Well, that's how you reassemble the Paclock 98 Pro after you got it for your 200K submission. Gonna have to try to pick that now and make sure that works. Got another one I've been working on at the moment, though. Oh, forgot there was a tensioner on there. Been trying to get this pink one at the moment. Got a pretty good fall set and a few things, but this one must be a little trickier than the first one I did here. So, all right, hope you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully it was a little bit helpful, and you know, minus the mishaps and the nonsense. But like, subscribe, and share, everyone. Have a good one, and if you haven't done it yet, try to give the 200K challenge a go. It's a lot of fun, and they give you some really cool stuff for getting it done. Have a good one.